Hello everyone, welcome back to Brass Hall for another Bartender Sessions. I'm Wolfman, I'm going to be your bartender. Today I'm going to be making a shot called the Washington Apple. Pretty common. We're going to start off with a shaker with ice. I'm going to take some Crown Royal, 3/4 ounce. Next we're going to add a little bit of apple pucker, just about 1/4 ounce. Then a little bit of cranberry juice. And we're going to give that a good shake. Get nice and cold. Get our strainer. That looks good. And there you go. That's a Washington apple. Oh!